3 dividend tech stocks. We're going to talk about 3 tech stocks that pay dividends. And although they don't pay good dividends yet, you could possibly get some good growth out of them on their way to eventually becoming good dividend paying stocks. So let's get into it. The first company on the list is Salesforce, ticker symbol CRM. Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management platform that helps businesses manage customer data, sales, and marketing. It also offers tools to improve customer support. Salesforce has over 150,000 customers worldwide, making it the leading CRM platform with a significant number of companies using its services across various industries. Salesforce has a solid balance sheet as their assets more than double their liabilities. They've steadily grown their revenue and bottom line every year, with last quarter being their best quarter ever.
Oh yeah, Jim, this was the best quarter we have ever had. I mean, look at this fourth quarter result. This is our first $10 billion quarter. Incredible. I mean, we had more than 400 deals over $1 million. But the real story in the quarter, Jim, is none of that. And yes, you could talk about foreign exchange. We lost a couple $100 million there. But the reality, Jim, is Agentforce. This is just the beginning of an incredible new chapter.
Salesforce has gotten into the AI space with a new feature called Agentforce. Mark Benioff calls it the third wave of AI.
Every company has more jobs to be done than resources available to do those jobs. And Agentforce helps you build and customize autonomous AI agents to help with those jobs. Like an AI service agent that deflects incoming support cases by responding intuitively and conversationally to resolve customer inquiries that a chatbot never could. Or an AI sales development agent that proactively works leads by contacting customers, responding to their questions, and scheduling meetings. Or an AI sales coach agent trained on your best practices that attends calls with your new sales reps and provides helpful real-time tips and objection handling. These are just a few of the standard agents included with Agentforce, but you can also create your own custom AI agents, which you'll do by describing in natural language the jobs you want those agents to do, and then equipping those agents to do those jobs with the workflows and actions you've already built in Salesforce. Your agents will then work inside the guardrails you've established to do these jobs, reasoning intuitively, to respond reliably to complex requests, and refusing to be lured outside those guardrails or respond to requests that might be inappropriate or even dangerous, which gives your company the confidence to deploy autonomous AI agents that can reliably do the jobs they're assigned. Thanks for watching.
Salesforce issued a dividend for the first time in 2024, and they are now up to 40 cents per share. They could be a good growth stock, dividend stock combo as time goes on. Number 2 on the list is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Everyone is familiar with Apple and their devices and how they work smoothly together in their own ecosystem. Apple continues to crush it every year with over $300 billion in revenue and around $100 billion in net income, which is largely due to their services such as the App Store. Apple does carry a lot of debt on their balance sheet. That's due to constantly acquiring companies, and even though they don't have to, they choose to use debt to pay out dividends. Apple currently pays out a dividend of 25 cents per share, and they have been raising their dividend every year since 2012. Even though Apple has been around for a long time, don't count them out on being a growth company, as they are investing a lot of money into the future.
Most are going to be focused on research and development, silicon engineering, software development, and AI and machine learning. Build a new manufacturing facility in Houston that will create thousands of jobs. The 250,000 square foot factory is slated to open, Apple says, in 2026, producing servers to support Apple Intelligence. The company will also double its U.S. Advanced Manufacturing Fund to $10 billion. That fund's expansion includes a multi-billion-dollar commitment from Apple to produce advanced silicon in TSMC's facility in Arizona. Additionally, Apple is going to establish a new academy in Michigan, where it says its engineers are going to consult with businesses on implementing AI and smart manufacturing techniques.
Number 3 on the list is NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. NVIDIA is a computer technology company that designs and sells graphics processing units, artificial intelligence hardware and software, and more. There's a long list of tech companies that are customers of NVIDIA, from Tesla to Oracle to Amazon to Google. NVIDIA is growing at a rapid pace as they have more than doubled their revenue 2 years in a row. And they have been a highly profitable company with minimal debt. Although their dividend is only 1 cent per share right now, they will continue to raise it every year as well as give you some solid stock appreciation over the long run. Nvidia's new focus is on self-driving cars. Here's what their CEO Jensen Huang has to say.
In order to train a robot, you need a lot of data. And the first version of consumer robots that we're all going to engage is the self-driving car. And we've been working on self-driving cars now for some time, and the business is some $5 billion estimated run rate this year. And that kind of puts it in perspective. And the reason for that is because in order to build a self-driving car, you need to train a mountain of data, video data. And NVIDIA's data center business is very important to us. And so in order to build robotics, you need 3 computers. You need the training computer, that's DGX. You need the simulation computer for Omniverse, and NVIDIA is also in the simulation business. You know, computer graphics is not just for playing video games. You could use it for simulating virtual worlds for self-driving cars. And so the simulation computer is a very big business for us. And the third one, of course, is the robotics computer. All 3 computers are big businesses for us. And so if you just imagine, if just right now where the self-driving car business is, if it's already a $5 billion business for us, imagine how big it's going to be when we have 100 million new cars per year, 1 trillion miles driven per year. This is likely going to be one of the largest robotics industries in the world and one of the largest computing industries in the world.